So, furnace no heat, humidifier not working, they turned it off, now nothing's working. Furnace fun. Filter, not in the track. Seems like it won't fit in the track. We'll get them a new one. Another return over there. Let's go figure this out. So remove the white wire, jump an R to W, and sounds like the furnace is making noise. Let's see if they get any heat. So jumping that out made it work. So there's a second thermostat over here. This one doesn't seem to be working properly. Using the voltage meter, it shows that zone 2 is just a high limit. Doesn't actually activate the furnace. So, customers said that they had a leak from the dehumidifier, and now the heat just stopped working. I'm not exactly sure why it stopped. I don't see any problems. This thermostat is working. They have the old thermostat, which I have right over there, and I was just about to put it on, even have the hole still in the wall with the anchor over there. I was going to put another wall anchor here, but who knows? Looks like they got this working well. Let you know what I find. So I'm back up here and it seems like the fan is on, but not the thermostat. No fire in there, so we're gonna go downstairs and check it out. Waiting for the fan to turn off. So the old thermostat is back on. The vent is the unit is on. The vent is the vents are getting hot. Everything's good. The only thing I see is there's a kink over here, which may have caused the dehumidifier to leak in the unit. So I'm gonna fix this by propping it up, and we'll see what happens. So here's where I stand so far. This tubing all the way to there to the air handler has pressure in it, as you can imagine. There is no trap, and disconnected it. Now the alpine air is not leaking out of the seams like it was before. As you can see, just some drip marks. I'm assuming that because there was a lack of a trap, that is the reason why it was blowing out. Why it didn't happen in the past, I'm not exactly sure, but that is what I found today. And yeah, so leaking alpine air is the reason for the call, and thermostat just happened to be something that was broken while we were here. We're gonna recap. It seems like the only trap they have is over here on the bottom, and then everything else shares one thing. So the condensate from the 90 plus furnace is shared with this, which is shared with that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a separate trap for the furnace, and then I'm going to put a trap for up here for the AC condensate, and I'm going to put a trap for that too. So if you guys want, you guys could tell me how you would do it, maybe draw something up, shoot me an email, or post to YouTube, link me on Google Plus, and show me how you would do it if you guys would do it different. But for now, I'm just going to put a trap on everything and go from there. Thank you for watching.